Southwest 2243, runway 16 left, first takeoff.
Perfect, takeoff 16 left, South 2243.
Welcome back to Seattle Virtual ATC. If you haven't already, please watch part 1 of this quick start guide where we get you set up with TeamSpeak and with registering on the website as well as posting on our forums. Right now we're going to get you set up with your simulator and JoinFS so that you can fly on our server. JoinFS is the connection client we use to connect all of our sims together. So whether it's Microsoft Flight Simulator Boxed or Steam or Prepared, you can connect all of those through JoinFS so we can all see each other on the same server. The first thing you want to do is download the JoinFS client. You can find that by searching JoinFS or by going to the link in the description down below or on screen. It'll take you to the screen and you can click here to download JoinFS. I already have a couple downloads saved, but I've uninstalled it completely so I can walk you through the install process. I'm going to click on it and it'll ask you to run and bring up this wizard. It'll compute your space requirements and then it'll say welcome to the JoinFS setup wizard. Accept the terms and hit next. Pick the location you want to install in and hit install. And just like that, JoinFS is installing to your computer. The next thing you want to do is get your flight simulator up and running. So I'll open it up here. Now we have flight simulator running. You'll head over to free flight. It's important you stay in free flight and not multiplayer. And you can set your settings however you like. Once your settings are set, just hit fly now. And just like normal, Microsoft Flight Simulator or your preferred flight sim will boot up. While that's booting up, we can also load up JoinFS. Once you open up JoinFS, it'll look something like this. And we'll just hit the simulator button. And this should automatically connect to our simulator and see it turn green. The next thing you want to do is go to File, Scan for Models, and you want to specify where Flight Sim is located in your computer right here. So for me, it's right in the FSX folder within Steam. You can just check airplanes and rotorcraft here and then hit Scan, and it will find all the models that are within your Flight Sim so that it can connect it in JoinFS. The next thing I might ask you to do is select replacement aircraft just in case it can't find a match in your computer. If it doesn't, you can always go to File, Edit Model Matching, and it will bring up here your substitution. You'll notice all of mine are set to the Cessna Skyhawk default still, so if you just click on Airliner for example and hit Substitute, it'll bring up your list of aircraft and you can pick which one you want it to substitute for. I'll hit the 738, and you can change which livery it does also, which I'll change it to white. Hit OK, and you can do the same thing for all of these if you like. Alright, and just like that, I changed all my model matching so I can X out of this, and now JoinFS is all set up. You only have to perform those steps once when you initially install the program. After that, they should be set every time after that, but you can always go back and change it later if you want to. The next thing you want to do is connect to the network. You can always go to View, Hubs, and you'll find SVATC dedicated in here, and you can just double click on that. If not, you can always type into the join our TeamSpeak address, ts.seattlevirtualatc.org, and hit join. It'll turn orange when it starts to connect, and when it's done, it'll turn green. And once it's connected, you can just go to View, Aircraft, and right here you can see every aircraft that's on the server with you. And that's all there is to JoinFS. If you like, you can view the more advanced operations in a separate video, but this is the minimum you need to know to get started with SVATC. We hope this quick start guide has been helpful. Please feel free to rewind the video and go back to any parts that might have been unclear, or you can send us an email at info@seattlevirtualatc.org. That's info and then our website. We hope to see you flying soon.